Strip marking teaching. 1. Vertical strip pixel processing. 1.1 Click the CAD icon, select the vector image stored in the computer. Dex for put, custom position, lower left corner XOYO, zoom ratio 1, original object, OK. 1.2 Select unnecessary primitives and press del to delete them. After deleting the primitives, select all the remaining primitives, right-click, and combine them. 1.3 Check lock aspect ratio, adjust the pixel size, modify the width or height of the pixel. The origin of the workpiece of this machine is in the lower left corner, so choose the lower left corner as the displacement reference point. Modify the position X and position Y coordinates to 0, and the set O here is the origin position of the workpiece set in the previous step. 1.4 Flying marking setting, Open tool flying marking setting check enable, marking range setting value should be less than or equal to the length of the distortion correction side, set the free running speed to 15,000 mm per minute, set the axial acceleration and deceleration distance between 0.53 mm, check switch to time base and simulation check, and do not need to check others. 1.5 Fill parameter settings, select primitives, click on object parameter settings, select fill outline, select bidirection check fill cross blocks, and leave all others unchecked. If the rotation angle of the pixel is 0, then the scanning angle set is 0 degrees. If the rotation angle of the pixel is 90 degrees, then the scanning angle set is 90 degrees. Make sure the fill line is horizontal after enlarging the element. According to the process needs to set the scanning spacing, generally set between 0.030-0.08 mm. 1.6 Right-click the pixel and check enable drawing stripping. Stripping width plus overlap width should be smaller than the simultaneous motion range, and overlap width can be adjusted according to the actual effect. Set 0.1 here. First check to fill the stripe, remove the strip evenly, do not check other, click remove strip. You can see that the primitives are divided into multiple primitives. If you want to disband the primitives, you can disband the group and delete the primitives, leaving the original primitives at the bottom, and refill the primitives to remove the primitives again. 1.7 Advanced setting, select the pixel, click object parameter setting, select advanced specify mode, select use flying check 1 dir, max length 5 mm. If the long pixel is not uniform, the width and narrow change is relatively large, you can click the free run region, click all, so that the processing will be more uniform. The disadvantage is that the efficiency will be reduced. If you don't need it, you can click clear and the yellow box in the screen will disappear. 1.8 Laser param setting, set the appropriate processing speed, power, frequency and pulse width. Delay parameters can be 0.2, 0.1, 0.2, 0.1, 0.1. 1.9 After completing the setting, observe the prompt window in the lower left corner. If the line filling calculation is not in progress, it indicates that the software has completed processing. You can click Send File Start Marking. If the line filling calculation is in progress, you need to wait for the calculation to be completed. 2. Horizontal strip metaprocessing. The steps and vertical strip processing are basically the same, only the filling angle is different. 2.1 If the rotation angle of the pixel is 0, then the scanning angle is set to 90 degrees. If the rotation angle of the pixel is 90 degrees, then the scanning angle is set to 0 degrees. Make sure the fill line is upright after enlarging the element.